Now we will solve the problem related to the beam. Now the first problem, find the reaction at support A and B for a given simply supported beam. So this is the figure given. Okay, so this is the beam AB which is simply supported. We need to read problem very carefully because which type of support we need to observe that. Okay, so what is given here, it is simply supported beam. Okay, now this is the given problem. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to draw the free body diagram for the given figure. So draw the free body diagram for the given figure. Okay, so which type of support it is? Simply supported. Okay, so the beam is given A B. Okay, now it is simply supported means what? There is only one reaction. Okay, for this simply supported reaction is RA and for this is RB. Okay, then there is a load acting 10 kilonewton at 2 meter from left side and 3 meter from the right side. Okay, so this is a free body diagram for the given. We need to change this support with the reaction. Okay, as it is simply supported, so there will be a opposite reaction to this, so that is RA and RB. So we need to find this reaction RA and RB. So how to find this, that we will see. So if you observe this free body diagram, so there is no any horizontal forces. Okay, so we will consider this is in equilibrium, that is summation of forces in y direction is equal to 0. So what are the forces in y direction? RA, RB and 10 kilonewton. So what is the direction? Suppose direction is upward, so what will take? Positive. And if suppose direction is downward, then we will take it is negative. So RA and RB are upward, so its direction is upward and sign is positive. RA plus RB. What is the sign of this 10 kilonewton? Negative, because it is downward, so which is equal to 0. Right, so we got this. Now take the summation of movement about point A is equal to 0. Okay, so you may have a question that why we should take summation of movement about point A is equal to 0, why not B? Okay, so you can take at point A also, or you can take at point B also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so how we will get the same answer, that we will see. So summation of movement about point A is equal to 0. Okay, from here we need to take the movement. Right, now so this RA is passing from this A point, so there is no effect of RA on this moment. Okay, then this 10 kilonewton, what is the direction? So you can again here, so for the clockwise you can take positive and for the anti-clockwise you can take negative. So you can take vice versa also, for clockwise you can take negative and for anti-clockwise you can take positive. Okay, no problem. So here I am taking clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Okay, now the first 10 kilonewton, what is the direction? If you put finger here and its direction is what? Clockwise. Right, so how to see the this side clockwise? See, if you draw the circle here, okay, clockwise means like this, so this sign, this direction is matching, means it is clockwise. Okay, so for clockwise we are taking positive. Okay, what is the force? 10 into distance is 2. Okay, now for RB, now if you draw the curve here, okay, and if you draw this direction, okay, so what is this direction? This direction is anti-clockwise, so negative, so minus RB. What is the distance, total distance? 5, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from this you will get the RB value. So 20 is equal to RB into 5. Okay, so we'll get the reaction at B, which is equal to 4 kilonewton. Okay, so put this RB value into this. Suppose this is equation 1. So put RB value in equation 1 and you will get the RA value. So RA is equal to, okay, so this 10, RB is minus 4, and you will get the RA value. So RA is equal to what? 6 kilonewton. 6 kilonewton. Okay, now we will see. So when we take this movement about point B, what will get then? So summation of movement about point B is equal to 0. Okay, now consider this. Okay, so what is the first force? Here it is. If you see, if you draw this direction, which direction it is? Anti-clockwise. Okay, so minus 10 into what is the distance from here? It is 3. Okay, then here, so if you draw the curve and if suppose direction here, this direction is matching, and what is the direction? It is clockwise. Okay, so positive clockwise. RA, what is the total distance here? Into 5, which is equal to 0. Now calculate this and you will get the answer for RA. RA is equal to this 30 divided by this 5 is equal to 6 kilonewton. RA is equal to 6 kilonewton. Okay, put this value of RA into this equation 1 and you will get the RB. Okay, so RB is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4 kilonewton. RB is equal to 4 kilonewton. So you can compare this answer is same. Okay, so though we have taken the moment about A is equal to 0 or moment about B is equal to 0, you will get the same answer.